What do you say between the high-level qualities?
How Kalendis and the Shine Shafri, the new the captain in fact of Zaman and Muhammad Hafiz, and the two captain, and the 30 brother captain as the selection of the Persian Pakistan cricket board, and selected by the Shine Shafri, the dangerous bowler is swinging the tackle, the king of the
What kind of he's not experienced this captaincy?
Captain, so already how the different of the shape on the pitching, the changing the background, the batting side to the bowling, the conditioner, and Lahore Gazafi straight in the first match. The good on the ground, good the sign and the beauty shine in the stadium, and the different family celebration in Pakistan Super League.
I said previous matches is Imad Hussain Karachi is captain, but now his captain Babar Azam is international cricket team. What do you about Babar Azam?
Oh, yes, I like St. Babar Azam. The Turkish players master class in the T20 the ICC turn number ranking the some years of number one in the down with the 30 the ODI they're ranking the first number and dangerous player Babar Azam and Red calling the comparison. Two dangerous player Babar Azam very first master class. I like it Babar Azam.
Is captain Wahab Riaz. Wahab Riaz previous matches Big Bash League is very good captaincy and contact candidate. What is this in PSL?
Oh yes, the dangerous player Wahab Riaz. And the Kuda, the left arm, and the Kuda around the batting side. Pakistan versus Afghanistan. The matches turning the World Cup and ODI. And Wahabrias to the 6th. Rashid Khan is not happy. Dangerous player and good composition. The pitches out straight for very the good composition. The comparison, the good control. Wahabrias, the dangerous around the good Pakistani. And good selection by the Peshawar Zalmi. The 5 PSL, 6 PSL with the selection Wahhabi. There's no changing in the team and the one with the team and the selection.
How do you think is first batting is winning and other side is second batting winning?
Oh yes, this problem is today the match in Karachi King versus Multan Sultan. The two top teams. I am sporting Karachi King, the team in Pakistani Super League. Different fancy celebration, enjoyment, wonderful. That's
Mohammad Rizwan is T20 international is very good perform and the PS is very good batting. How this match is very good batting?
Oh yes, the chances 100% to the 75% per side. Muhammad Rizwan did the big World Cup on the T20, the first number, and just the batter the down and Babar Azam the good batting. Signed with Muhammad Rizwan the 2021 the top class batsman. He's a good batting side. He's a good classical maturity the batting is Muhammad.